You go to the garden center, you bring home plants like these zinnias that look like this. Before you plant these into the ground or into your pot, you want to do two things. You want to pull it out, and you want to zhuzh up these roots, because these babies have been in that 6-pack for many, many months, and it's been a little tight in there. So we want to loosen the roots, okay? And then the other thing you want to do, which I know is hard, is you're going to cut these way down. Here's one I just did. I cut it way down. And if you look, you can actually see there's growth in here. So why do we do that? We do that because you want the plant to be able to put its energy into expanding the roots when you put it into a new home where it's got room for the roots to grow. Ultimately, what that will do is produce a healthier plant and more blooms than you would have if you planted it like this. Okay? So, yes, you're gonna have to wait a little longer, but trust me, your plant will be fuller, lusher, and your production, again, of flowers will be much greater if you do those two things. Also, if this is very dry, you might want to just dip it in a little water. Let those roots soak up some water before you plant them. Okay? Happy planting. Keep going and growing.